Is the Ageas Federal Super Cash Plan the perfect balance of income and protection, or just another traditional insurance product in disguise? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis through this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked participating individual life insurance savings plan. So some of the key features of the policy are: the life cover here ensures financial security for your loved ones, and regular income here provides you with immediate liquidity starting right from the end of the first policy year or month, and guaranteed boosters every fifth policy year also enhances your savings, and lump sum maturity benefit is available at the end of the policy term, and there are tax benefits on premiums paid and benefits received which is subjected to prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like survival benefit, in which there are cash bonuses, guaranteed boosters, guaranteed incomes, and also maturity benefit and death benefit based on the plan option you have opted for. So these are some benefits that are available, and there are also advantages like flexible survival benefit. So you get to choose to receive your survival benefit on any date of your preference, and in the unfortunate event of the policyholder's demise, future premiums are waived off and the nominee continues receiving benefits as if the policy were active. And survival benefits here can be used to pay due premiums during the premium payment term, and special benefits are also available for especially female live staff members and online policy holders. So you also get to enjoy extra benefits when opting for a higher sum assured or premium. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some drawbacks, like the sum assured is on the lower side, offering limited financial protection. Survival benefits may also encourage unnecessary or discretionary spending, and since the money back payouts cannot be deferred, the overall maturity benefit also gets reduced. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about it, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. But if you still want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has opted for this policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. So the policy term is 50 years with a premium payment term of 10 years and an annual premium of 1 lakh. So benefits are survival benefit from the first policy here, final maturity benefit including bonuses at the end of the term, and a guaranteed booster every 5 years. So these are some benefits that are available, as I have already previously mentioned. And here in the policy brochure, they have considered two return scenarios because the returns are not guaranteed. That's why they have given you two return scenarios like 4 and 8% per annum, just to indicate worst and best case scenario. So at 4% return, the maturity benefit is 22.55 lakhs with an IRR of just 3.02% as per the policy maturity calculator, adding virtually no value. So at 8% return, the maturity benefit is 51.58 lakhs, translating to an IRR of 6% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is comparable to or even lower than debt instruments. So this policy comes with several limitations. It delivers extremely low returns, making it unsuitable for wealth creation, and the inability to defer your survival benefits also reduces the overall maturity value, while the long lock-in period ties up your money until the policy term ends. Additionally, the sum assured is inadequate, leaving families without sufficient financial security in case of unforeseen events. So this policy fails to deliver on both investment and protection fronts, with limited flexibility, inadequate coverage, and poor returns. It is not a suitable choice for long-term financial goals. So as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis, where we are going to take up an alternative approach, which is we are not going to invest in a combined policy like the Ageas, where they combine both insurance and investment. Instead, we are going to invest in insurance and investment separately. So for insurance purpose, like for life cover purpose especially, we are going to take up a pure term insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which costs us only 15,200 rupees annually for a 35-year term with a 10-year premium payment period. So this leaves us with 84,800 rupees per year for 10 years available for investment. So the saved amount is then invested in an equity mutual fund, and equivalent withdrawals are made to mirror the survival benefits of the super cash plan. The balanced units at the end of 10 years can be redeemed redeemed and invested in an instrument earning 7% interest per annum. So capital gains are considered only at final redemption. So after adjusting for the 1.25 lakh annual LTCG exemption limit, this investment enables regular withdrawals similar to the Ageas Federal Super Cash Plan. And if you want to know how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see the tabular column we have presented for it on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So the strategy yields an IRR of 7.11% and a maturity value of 98.52 lakhs, almost double the return from the Super Cash Plan. So beyond superior returns, it also provides flexibility to withdraw funds as per personal financial needs, unlike the rigid payouts of the insurance plan. So this policy underperforms due to low returns, lack of flexibility, and insufficient life cover. A combination of pure term insurance plus mutual fund investment proves to be a far more effective and efficient choice for long-term financial planning. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Ageas Federal Super Cash Plan worth it or not? So this policy combines a survival benefit, a maturity benefit, and life coverage. The survival benefit begins from the very first policy year and consists of both guaranteed and non-guaranteed portions. In addition, the plan offers guaranteed boosters every 5 years. So this mix of multiple components makes the survival benefit vary annually, creating uncertainty in cash flows. Because of this unpredictability, survival benefits cannot be earmarked for specific expenses and may often lead to discretionary spending. So essentially, the plan functions like a basic money back policy, delivering below average returns and offering an inadequate sum assured. Its investment portion does little to build long-term wealth, while its insurance coverage is insufficient for true financial protection, and it also has a high agent commission. A pure term life insurance policy provides a far more cost-effective solution, ensuring robust financial security for your family at an affordable premium. So alongside this, you can build a well-diversified investment portfolio tailored to your goals, time horizon, and risk appetite, which is the right path toward financial wealth creation. So in short, avoid mixing savings with insurance and choose the right standalone financial product, which is the foundation of a very successful financial journey.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.